In this video, you're going to learn how to fix the error missing value age group in Google Merchant Center next. You're seeing this error because you're missing the age group attribute in your product feed. Your products may still show in the shopping ads, but their performance could suffer. This means fewer clicks, fewer sales, fewer profits, so we really want to get this fixed. If you have any products that vary by age, we need to add in this attribute. Let's fix it right now. First, head over to merchants.google.com and log in to your Google Merchant Center account. On the left-hand menu, click on Products and then click on Needs Attention. At the top of your product list, you'll find a filtering icon. Click on it. In the drop-down menu, choose Issue Impact and then select Limits Visibility. Now, you should see the error Missing Value Age Group. To get your products approved, we'll assign an age group value to each one. Values recognized by Google are newborn, infant, toddler, kids, teen, or adult. Products in the same age group require a consistent value setting. This is an easy fix if you're using a spreadsheet or feed management software. Just set the value consistently across your feed and you'll resolve the issue. But if you're adding them in manually on GMC, here's how to do it. Click on the product title to see its details. You'll see all the product information here. Click on Edit Product on the right. Scroll down to where we have Apparel Product Details and click on Age Group. Here you'll find all the age group values that Google supports. Click on the one that represents your items, then click on Save at the bottom. Now go back to the product details and click on Needs Attention. This takes you to where Google flagged the issue. Here you can request a manual review after fixing the issue. Google will update the feed and check if the issue is resolved in 24 to 48 hours. Once fixed, the approval will disappear, and that's it. You've just fixed the disapproval and updated your product. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.